Hello everyone, my name is Arjun Verma and my subject is cost accounting and my topic is basic overview of meaning of cost and other terms. Discuss the element of cost. Define cost. The amount of money needed to buy, do or make something. In business, cost is monetary valuation of effort, material, resources, time and utilities consumed, risk incurred, deliver of goods or services. Types of cost. Actual cost. Actual cost is defined as the cost or expenditure which a firm incurs for producing or acquiring goods or services. Example, wage bill. Opportunity cost. It is the return from the second best use of the firm's resources which the firm forgoes in order to avail of the return from the best use of the resources. Example, if a firm owns a land, there is no cost of using the land, that is the rent in the firm's account. Sunk costs. Sunk costs are those do not alter by varying the nature or level of business activity. Example, all the past costs are considered as sunk costs. The best example is amortization of past expense like depreciation. Incremental cost. Incremental costs are addition to costs resulting from a change in the mature level of business activity. Example, change in distribution channels, adding or deleting a product in the product line. Explicit cost. Explicit costs are those expenditure that are actually paid by the firm. Explicit costs are important for calculating the profit and loss. Example, interest payment on borrowed funds, rent payments, wages, etc. Implicit cost. Implicit costs are a part of opportunity cost. They are the theoretical cost, that is, they are not recognized by the accounting system and are not recorded in the books of accounts but are very important in certain decisions. Example, interest on equity capital, etc. Book cost. Book costs are those business costs which don't involve any cash payment but a provision is made in the books of accounts in order to include them in the profit and loss account and take tax advantages. Out of pocket cost. Out of pocket costs are those costs or expenses which are current payments to the outsiders of the firm. All the explicit costs fall into the category of out of pocket cost. Example, rent paid, wages, salaries, etc. Accounting cost. Accounting costs are the actual or outlay costs that point out the amount of expenditure that has already been incurred on a particular process on a production. Example, all sunk costs are accounting cost. Economic cost. Economics costs are related to future. They play a vital role in business decision as the costs considered in decision making are usually future cost. Direct cost. Direct costs are those which have direct relationship with the unit of operations like manufacture a product, organizing a process or an activity. Example, in operating railway services, the cost of wagons, coaches and engines are direct cost. Indirect cost. Indirect costs are those which cannot be easily and definitely indefinable in relation to a plant, a product, a process of a department. Indirect costs are both the fixed and the variable cost. Example, the cost of factory building, the track of a railway system, etc. Controllable costs are those which can be controlled or regulated through observation by an executive and therefore they can be used for assessing the efficiency of the executive. Example, inventory cost can be controlled at the shop level, etc. Then meaning of elements of cost. The element of cost are those elements which constitute the cost of manufacture of a product. In a manufacturing organization, we convert raw material into a finished product with the help of labor and other services. These services are material, labor and expenses. Elements of cost. There are three elements of cost: material, labor, expenses. Material, commodities supplied to undertaking. Labor, the cost of paying employees includes salaries, bonus, etc. Expenses, cost other than material, labor. These elements of cost are divided into two categories such as direct material, indirect material, direct labor, direct expense, indirect expense. First, direct material. It refers to the material out of which a product is to be produced or manufactured. The cost of direct material is varying according to the level of output. For example, milk is the direct material of butter. Indirect material. It refers to material required to produce a product but not directly and does not form a part of finished product. For example, nails are used in furniture. The cost of indirect material is not varying in direct proportion of product. Direct labor are those to the amount paid to the workers who are directly engaged in the production of good. It varies directly with the output. Indirect labor. It refers to the amount paid to the worker who are indirectly engaged in the production of goods. It does not vary directly with the output. Direct expense. It refers to the expense that are specially incurred by the company to produce a product. A product cannot be produced without incur such expenses. It varies directly with the level of output. Indirect expense. It refers to the expense that are incurred by the organization to produce a product, but these cannot be easily found out accurately. For example, power used for production. Thank you.